Feel Awesome Mompreneurs. Today, I will share with you another great AI tool. Aside from webinars, YouTube is one of the best go-to places to learn from. However, some of the videos are a bit lengthy. If you want a debrief of the YouTube video, you can plug in this extension, YouTube Digest, summarizing and translating using ChatGPT, and I will show you how. Just click on this link, YouTube Digest. Add it to Chrome, add extension, and these are the settings that you can choose from. Summary mode, it can translate the video to transcript, summarize the video as single paragraph, summarize the video as article, summarize the video as a set of bullet points, summarize the video as a set of titled sections, summarize the video with a custom prompt. And you can even choose how many bullet points to use there. Summarization provider, you have this using the web app and the ChatGPT. You have to make sure that you're logged in with ChatGPT to use this. And then you have different themes. Let's just choose one. I'm okay with bullet points. Click on save. So that's set there. So go to the YouTube video that you want a summary of. On the top right, you will see the word summarize. Click on that. And it says here to log in first with ChatGPT. Okay, we'll do that. Log in with your Google account. Okay, once you're logged in, go back to the YouTube video and it will generate response for you. You can see here it's a 1 hour and 24 minutes and 25 seconds video, and it will generate bulleted points here. Now we can see the generated bullet points here on the right hand side together with a timestamp. If you want to change it to a paragraph form, you just go back to this settings, click on summarize the video as an article, click on save, go back to the video and just refresh it. Now we are just waiting for ChatGPT's response. If it takes some time, just refresh the page. And click on summarize again. And there you go, you have the paragraph form. So I hope this helps. This will be a great time saver. Please consider subscribing for more tips like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.